Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for our degenerate video of the week. It is time to break down 5 stocks with very high short interest that, in my opinion, in the short term, whether it's in a couple of weeks, couple of days, couple of months, 2-3 months, who knows with this stuff, it's speculative, but I want to break down 5 that, in my opinion, could squeeze at some point. So if you all find value, smash that like button, subscribe, of course, take a sip of your coffee. You're going to need some coffee for this video, and get your free money from Moomoo, up to 5 free shares of stock, and you could get 5 shares of stock from Webull as well. So 10 free stocks, a link down below. Read the details, get your money, and with that being said, let's get right into the video. So check it out. Stock number 1. We're going to dive right into it, guys. No wasting time in this video. Stock number 1 is VTNR, which if I pull it up, you're going to see this chart is looking pretty bullish, right? This stock currently, when I'm filming this video, is up 9.8%, and we're actually on our way to that recent $12.36 high, which was hit on the 10th of May. And this stock, or this company, or however you want to look at it, this stock has 32.7% short interest, right? So a lot of people, a lot of investors, traders are betting against this stock, right? And when you have a very high short interest, you guys know when shorts try and cover, they have to buy back the stock. It causes a short squeeze, which could be kind of what we're getting right now when I'm filming this video, again, as the stock is up about 10%. So this has looked very bullish, not only today, but these past couple of weeks. You guys can see the stock broke out of the moving averages in the beginning of February when it was only $4 a share, and it's just been uptrending since. Above the moving averages, we have the golden cross, all that good stuff, and we kind of have a cup and handle right here. You guys kind of see that, right? Cup, handle. So if we end up taking out 12.50 in general, I'll probably put my alert at $12.50. If that point breaks, I see a big move coming on this stock. And as always, like I said earlier in this video, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. This is risky stuff. It's speculative. Who knows what's going to happen? But we're having fun, right? We're having fun with some of these stocks. You know, the stock market, you have your blue chip stocks, your index funds, which those are boring, but you kind of have to invest for the long term in those for your retirement, 401k, Roth IRA, SEP IRA, whatever. You kind of have to. And then if you have some play money, which 5, 10, 15% of your portfolio, however you want to look at it, depending on your risk tolerance, if you have some play money, you can look at stuff like this for fun. And for stuff like this, I wouldn't recommend doing anything more than 1% of your portfolio, to be honest. A very tiny amount. Tiny amount, for me at least, right? So VTNR, watch out for it, set your alerts. The next one I'm looking at here, which I called out a couple of videos ago, and by videos I mean the short squeeze videos. I make one a month or one every 2 weeks or something like that. I called this one out a couple of ones ago. I forget which one it was, and it actually ended up ripping. It ripped like crazy recently. It was in the beginning of this month of May. It went from $15.65 to $24 after reporting earnings. That was a move of 35%, and now it's cooled off a little bit. It's come back down to these moving averages on the 4-hour chart around $17, $18-ish dollars. So I'm just simply going to put my alert mark is at or above at $18 and let's say 25 cents, $18.25, mark is at or above. If we end up breaking that point, we start getting some sort of move towards 20. This could catch fire quick. We've seen multiple short squeezes in the past that have been around 25-30%. And the one that we just saw was about 35-40, right? Let me see again. Let's see here. Actually, no, more. 60%. Holy crap, 60%. So ICP is a 33% short interest right now. Keep your eyes on it. EVGO, which this chart doesn't look as good as the first two of this video that we just went over, but I'm watching it because today when I'm filming this, it is up 17%. They just reported earnings of EPS of 21 cents in the red, so they lost 21 cents a quarter, and they did revenue, which missed the estimate by about $1 million, $7.7 million versus $8.73 3 million estimated, and the short interest on EVGO is 28.5%. So high short interest, they're not losing as much money, but still an unprofitable quarter, and they missed on revenue, which is funny when you look at the stock price, because the stock price is up. You would think they missed on revenue, oh, the stock would go down. No, guys, the stock's going up. These stocks work in mysterious ways, but the reason why I'm watching it is because it is going up. And if I look here on the live news tab, it looks like they affirmed full year 22 guidance. I wonder what that guidance is, but I guess their guidance is decent. There's got to be some decent guidance here. And Credit Suisse. Oh, that's probably what's moving the stock up, guys. The guidance, but also Credit Suisse upgraded this stock to outperform with a $14 price target. So that could be causing this move. So I'm going to set my alert at $9, which is right by the 50 SMA on this 4-hour chart. If that point breaks on EVGO, hey, we might be going towards that $14 Credit Suisse price target. Maybe $12, $14, which is slightly above this 180 SMA on the 4-hour chart. So we're watching EVGO. Another one that I'm watching just for fun here, guys, honestly, is BBBY, Bed Bath & Beyond, which currently when I'm filming, this is up 5.5%, but overall, over the past couple of months, it's down 75% from 35. Now it's at 970, so it is down a lot. We have a death cross. It's under the moving averages, but who knows, guys? With these stocks, they could pop out of nowhere. So I set my alerts on them. I watch them, and again, I treat them as speculative stocks. But if they do start making a move, I wouldn't mind throwing maybe a couple $100 at it just for fun and see what could happen. So I'm just going to set my alert here on Bed Bath. Maybe I'll put it at 10.50. We'll see what it does at that point. Maybe we start making a move towards, $14, $15. And you got to realize when, let's say, GameStop pops, if, AMC pops, it seems like a lot of these, we all know this kind of, right? It looks like a lot of these meme stocks, high short interest stocks, they move kind of in the same direction. They move in a wave. Let's say GameStop pops, it cools off a little bit, and then we got people coming into Bed Bath & Beyond, or maybe BlackBerry or something like that. They all kind of move in a little wave. One goes up, they rush out of it, go to the next, and we'll see how it goes, guys. No guarantees like always, but Bed Bath & Beyond is one that I'm watching. And the last one, make sure to smash that like button if you haven't done so already. If you stuck till the end of the video, I appreciate you guys. And make sure to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Make sure to subscribe. So the last one here is GoGo, which has 41% short interest, which is just unbelievable, guys. So GoGo is one that has actually been declining like BBBY, not as much as Bed Bath & Beyond, but it's still been declining these past couple of weeks. GoGo's down about 27% in just the past 20 days, so we're talking over a 1% down move for each and every one of the past 20 days. And right now we're just slightly under both moving averages, right? And we're potentially on the verge of getting a death cross. Who knows, right? But at this point, since we have very high short interest, I'm just keeping an eye on it. Like I said with the previous one, guys, right? I'm going to set my alert. If things get hot, this breaks above, let's say, $19-20, it ends up ripping, we might make some money on it. There's no pain in setting alerts. It doesn't hurt to set an alert. Yes, I just rhymed there, guys. I might coin that term. So I just put my alert at at 1950 here on GoGo. And with that being said, guys, I guess we can wrap the video up. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe. Join my Patreon if you want all my real-time buys, sells, call-outs, morning update videos, exclusive content, all that good stuff. So on Patreon, join that link down below and get yourself some free money from Moomoo, up to 5 free shares of stock, each up to $3,500. All you got to do is use that link down below and deposit at least $100. And if you deposit $2,000, at least $2,000, you get a free share of Twitter. Guaranteed, guys. Guaranteed. Use that link down below, and I think that runs out at the end of May, the free share of Twitter. And with that being said, I guess that's it. I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching, as always. Peace out.